Okay, we're back. Almost got the video done, but didn't quite get to drill the holes in the plaque. So let's just recap. Here's what we do have done. So select all, regen path, and let's verify. Gonna go isometric and gonna play. Great. So it looks really good. I'm going to close that down. View, top. And now I'm going to drill these holes. So I'm going to go back to toolpath, drill. And now I'm just going to select these particular points. Click, 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 click. Just recording a video. Hi, can I call you back? I'm in the middle of recording a video. Is that okay? Or do you want to call me back just like 5 minutes from now and I'll be done? Okay, thank you. I appreciate it. Bye. All right, still selecting, 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 getting there, selecting, 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 and selecting. All right, I have selected all of the spots I want to drill for the LEDs, to hold the LEDs. I'm going to hit the, I'm just going to look on here actually. So I think when I am done, I am just supposed to hit enter. So I'm just going to enter. And then when I come back, I'm going to pick the tool. So I'm going to pick the 1/4 inch tool. There it is. Don't forget to make this 59 and checkbox. Actually, I'm not going to checkbox yet. I'm just going to check because I want to put the depth in. So I want to make sure that I go 1/4 inch deeper than the surface that I am drilling the holes into, so that the heads of the LEDs sit inside a little bit, so the top of the cap shows. So I'm going to make sure I remember that this layer here is down 1/4 inch. So I want to go 1/4 inch deeper than that. So in this case, it would be minus 0.5 inches. If, for instance, I was putting some LEDs in this part of the star here, I would go down 1/4 inch deeper than 0.125 inches, so 0.375 inches down, minus 0.375. If I wanted to put LEDs in this area, which is the surface of the plaque, I would just go down minus 0.25 inches. So again, it's always 1/4 inch deeper than the surface that you want to put the holes into. All right, so minus 1/2 inch, and I think I'm looking good. Checkbox. So there are all my drilled holes, and I'm just going to finish off here. Select all, and regen the path, and then verify. And I'm going to right click, go isometric, and I'm going to hit play. Great, fantastic. So that looks really good. My plaque is finished. So I'm going to close the simulator down and go to the view, top view. And the last thing that I would normally do is I would post this up. So I'd go select, and then over here to the word G code. You will be unable to do that. So you just want to make sure that you save this to your OneDrive so that you have access to it at school. And also I'm probably going to ask you to submit that or provide me with a link so that I can look that you've done the practice plaque. So again, right now this is an educational file. You can't post it up and see all the G code at home, but you'll be able to do that at school. So you just want to save this file and save it. So you just put it in an appropriate location, wherever that is. In fact, for you, again, it'd be your OneDrive, and then you just save it. And great. You say yes. And it's saved, and you can access it. All right, I am done. Thanks.